upon kind of readings we are getting. Now to shorten, I switch off the device and proceed towards interpretation. There are two methods of interpretation. One is manual one and another one is through application software. The first option is through Excel sheet. Here we need to fill hospital's name, patient's name, if any ID number is given, date, sex, age, all the details. This indication for which reason the patient has come to doctor. In case of glucose, we write this substrate given, 50 grams glucose dissolved into 50 ml of water. Now we need to fill the readings. For example, this is 5, this is 16, this is 11, this is 15, this is 16. As soon as we fill these readings, graph will change automatically. We also need to ask the patient if he is feeling any symptom. It could be bloating, nausea, headache, anything. How to interpret SIBO? We can see here that baseline is 5. If any of the difference between 5 and remaining one is more than 10, then we can easily interpret that the patient is SIBO positive. For example, here we can see here that first baseline is 5, difference is 11. We can interpret that the patient is SIBO positive. Here also the same reading. We can interpret all these things in an impression. This is one of the method for interpretation. Now I am going to explain how to prepare the report through software. We need to run Global Medicare Framework software. We need to connect one port to device, another port to laptop or desktop USB port. Once the device is connected, we need to switch on. After switching on, it will display here serial number of the device. Here as it is mentioned, GastroSure HS001480 connected. We click on Sure Chart. Once Sure Chart is run, we find this symbol here. We synchronize from here. And it will display the patient's name against them, their readings. We click here as download as new test, download as new test. In first case, it was lactose. In second case, it was glucose. For lactose, threshold reading is 20. For glucose, threshold reading is 10. You can see through the chart. All these details are mentioned in chart. After entering these things, we have to click on synchronize device. Now we have to remove and disconnect data cable. I have to disconnect this. I clicked on OK.